Alright folks, today we have another unboxing of our Naturebox that I received today. Thanks to Angel once again for my free coupon. Let's see what's inside. Shipper. Little pamphlet on the tastiest, highest quality ingredients. Less than 200 calories per 30 gram serving, no hydrogenated oils, no artificial colors, sweeteners, and flavors, no added sulfites, yes to high quality nutritious ingredients, yes to thoughtful sourcing, and yes to the new, the delicious, and the wow. For every box we deliver, we donate one meal to help feed the hungry. Pretty cool. First up, a 4-ounce serving of praline pumpkin seeds. Sounds good. A individually wrapped 5.7 ounce packets of carrot strawberry fruit chews. I'm sure the kids will enjoy that. One 4-ounce bag of lemon pucker pistachios. Love me some pistachios. One 3-ounce bag of cashew power clusters. Love me some cashews as well. And last but not least, pistachio power clusters, one 3-ounce bag. One thing I do like about this box is you definitely feel like you get your money's worth. Plenty to share. That is it. Hope everybody has a great day. Later.